This one right here, it's a good way to start the day. Come on, let's get it. What's up YouTube world, welcome back to another day in life video. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a quick shoulder workout. I'm going to do 5 exercises, what I normally do to get a nice little pump from this to this. So if you guys want to do the same, feel free to carry on, can do these exercises. I'm not going to go super heavy, just going to be light weights and more rep to get that nice little pump. So if you like what you see, follow along, let's go. So guys, the first workout I'm going to be doing is going to be shoulder press. So what I'm doing, I'm starting with the bar. Bear in mind, most bars, like Olympic bars, is going to be like 20 kg. So I'm going to start with that. The most I might bump up to, guys, is going to be maybe 30. Keep it like that, as well said. It's going to be a light session. So it's going to be 12 reps, 3 sets, 3 to 4 sets. From there, if anytime you start to feel fatigue, you can by all means do push press. But for now, I'm just going to try my best to focus on strict press. 12 reps, yeah, and then go for 8 to 12 reps. So come on, let's do it. Let's say the bar already, it's 20 kg, most bar. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's the first set, so 2 more to go. Let's do it. Yeah, it's a bit shit, guys, because I don't got a cameraman to hold the camera and do what I need to do. So that's the first set. That is, like, to me, like a test and adjust, just to get the muscle group going and everything. So that's my first set. So I got 2 to 3 more. Now I'm going to bump it up now. I'm going to put the plates on and then go from there, guys. So come on, let's do it. Time to go big. As I said before, I'm just keeping it light, so it's gonna be more of a case of just get the form right, technique right, so you ain't putting strain on your lower back, trying to get the weight up. So it's gonna be nice and strict, stack, keep everything in form, and yeah, from there should get a good pump. Remember, this is my workout, you know what I mean? Everyone do things slightly different, but this is where I do it. So let's talk in, let's go. Woo! So feeling that, bro. Remember, guys, as I said before, I'm going for a pump, not so much of strength with this one. Yeah, with everyone is different. Some people go for strength, lift crazy weight, but that's not what I'm focused on today. Today's gonna be a pump. Yeah, get them shoulders popping. So come on, let's go. I got 1 more set. Let's go. So that's my last set on that one, guys. So now I'm going to be moving on to dumbbell raises. So come on, let's go. So the next exercise, guys, is going to be dumbbell raises. So there's no wrong or right. A lot of people do them standing, but I'm going to be doing them seated. So get whatever weight your body or your mind desire, and then just go for it. Make sure you control it. So remember, I'm going for 12 reps, yeah? Now I can feel it burn, guys. This one is going to be shoulder press. Normally you can use a dumbbell and do them, but this one I'm going to be using a Swiss machine to do them. Last set for me on that one, guys. So I'm going to be moving on to rear delts. Not a Swiss machine right here. Normally you can do them with the dumbbells, but for me I get a better burn doing this. So come on, no further ado, let's get it. So I've been through so far 1, 2, 3. This is my fourth exercise. I got one more set on this one. As you see, we did that one, guys. Straight away you can see the muscle group working. But this one really hit the spot what I want. And yeah, as I said, you don't have to go super heavy, just lightweight, get the pump on, get the look where you're going for, whatever type of look you're going for, and just make it work for you. So I got one more set on this one, and then I'm going to move on to the final one, which is going to be the flies, cable flies. So that one I'm going to finish off with some burners, and yeah, get it from there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video so far, and if you do like it, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, drop me a comment and let me know which exercise is your best, which one you like the most. If you watch the video so far as well, I would like you to drop a fist pump emoji, so I know you guys are true subscribers and loyal fans as well. Anyway, last one, let's get it. Yeah, right, guys, so that's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed that type of session. 5 simple exercises where you can do yourself. The weight well lifted was nothing drastic, just something to get a pump on, as what I said before. I really like the pump feel and the rounded shape, you know what I mean? A lot of people go for strength, which is nothing wrong with that, but you know, as I said, for me, to start the day, you know what I mean, this is what I normally do. Yeah, I hope you guys like it, and if you do enjoy this video, guys, make sure you drop a comment below and tell me how you feel. And if you want to carry out these exercises, feel free. Just bear in mind, make sure when you do them, yeah, you pick whatever weight, you know what I mean, is suitable for you. You get me? Yeah, so anyway, guys, quick short vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your day. Peace.